When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal, security, and overall value of your Sanford home, custom doors offer a unique opportunity to tailor your space exactly to your needs. Custom doors go beyond just aesthetics. They provide numerous practical benefits that are worth the investment. Here are some of the top benefits of custom doors for Sanford residents. Personalized style and design. One of the biggest advantages of opting for custom doors is the ability to personalize the design to suit your specific style and needs. Unlike mass-produced doors, custom options let you choose everything from the type of wood or material to the color, finish, and hardware. Whether you prefer a rustic charm, modern elegance, or traditional appeal, a custom door can reflect your taste, complementing your home's overall look and feel. Sanford residents who value their home's curb appeal will find that a custom door can create a memorable first impression. It's a chance to make a statement right at the entrance and elevate your home's architectural character. Superior craftsmanship and durability. Custom doors are often crafted with a higher standard of quality compared to off-the-shelf doors. Skilled artisans use superior materials and construction techniques to create durable doors built to withstand the test of time. This is especially important in Sanford, where high humidity and unpredictable weather can impact a door's longevity. With a custom door, you can choose weather-resistant materials that will hold up under local conditions, reducing maintenance costs and extending the life of your investment. Enhanced home security. Security is a top priority for every homeowner, and a custom door offers enhanced protection compared to standard doors. Custom doors can be designed with reinforced materials, stronger frames, and advanced locking systems, making it much harder for intruders to gain access to your home. You have the flexibility to incorporate security features such as smart locks, deadbolts, or impact-resistant glass panels, ensuring that your family and property are well protected. Sanford residents can feel peace of mind knowing that their door is not only visually appealing but also adds a layer of protection that fits their specific security needs. Energy efficiency. Custom doors are a great way to improve your home's energy efficiency. Many standard doors are poorly insulated, leading to drafts and higher energy bills. With custom doors, you can choose energy-efficient materials, seals, and designs that help keep your home comfortable year-round. This is especially beneficial for Sanford residents, who often experience hot and humid summers. A custom door can help keep cool air in and warm air out, reducing the workload on your HVAC system and ultimately lowering your energy costs. Perfect fit for your space. Older homes or homes with unique architectural designs often come with doorways that are not standard sizes. Custom doors are made to measure, ensuring a perfect fit. This eliminates issues such as gaps, uneven frames, or the need for costly modifications. By opting for a custom door, Sanford homeowners can ensure a seamless installation that enhances both functionality and appearance. Increased home value. Investing in a custom door can increase your home's market value. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that feature quality, custom upgrades. A beautifully designed, high-quality door adds to the overall appeal of your home and may even be the feature that makes it stand out from the rest. For Sanford residents considering selling their homes in the future, this could be a wise investment that pays off during resale. Unique and exclusive designs. A custom door offers exclusivity, meaning no other home will have a door quite like yours. This uniqueness can help set your home apart in the Sanford neighborhood, making it a standout property. Whether you opt for intricate carvings, custom glass panels, or unique finishes, a custom door can serve as a work of art that adds character to your home. Final thoughts for Sanford residents. Custom doors are more than just an entryway. They're an investment in style, security, and functionality. By choosing custom doors, you can enjoy a tailored fit, exceptional craftsmanship, enhanced security, and better energy efficiency, all while boosting your home's value. Elevate your home's appeal and make a lasting impression with a door designed just for you.